The main menu that you find at the top of a lot of WordPress websites is actually part of a built-in structure called a menu. If I go to my WordPress administrative site, I'll need to go to Appearance and then choose Menus. This will allow me to create and edit menus. Now, most themes have to have at least one menu available to them. However, sometimes you can create additional menus if you want. This particular theme has a single menu, and I can see my menu structure on my right-hand side. Currently, I have a home link, a link to my sample page, and a second sample page. If I click on the links, you can see some additional information, such as the URL, the navigation label, this is what you see, a title, this is what you see if you hover over your link, and then some options. I can move it down the list so it's not first, I can remove it, or I can cancel if necessary. Canceling undoes any changes I have. On my left-hand side, you can see where I have my pages. I can also add an additional link. And then once I type in my information, I just click Add to Menu, and I'll add it to my bottom. As you saw before, I have the ability to move a link up my list if I want to, or I can click and drag it up. Once I make the change, this menu is actually saved automatically for me. So I can create links from my pages. I can create and add links to my menu from my pages, additional links, or I can even select based upon my categories. Here I have my categories that are both most used, but I can also view all of them, or if I'm looking for a specific category, I can use search. I'm going to add my category 1 and category 2, and I'm going to click on Add to Menu. You'll see here that I have my two categories. Now my category 2 is set up as a subcategory category 1. However, you can see in our menu that category 1 and category 2 are on the same level of my two categories. What I can do is click and move to the right, and you'll notice that it indents my second category. What this does is make it as a subcategory underneath my category 1. With this information, I'm going to click on Create Menu. With a saved menu, I then need to click on my Manage Locations up at my top. You'll notice here they have a primary menu, and I'm going to select my Menu 1. This will save this information. I'm going to click on Save Changes, and this now updates my menu information and assigns it to the location set within the theme. Go back to my WordPress website, reload, and now I can see my additional menu items. When I roll over category 1, you notice that category 2 now appears as a sub-menu within my main menu. I can add as many menu items and sub-menu items as I want. However, I want to be careful that I don't run out of space on my web page for my menu items. So I want to keep my menu items very organized and as compact as I can. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and share it with others. If you want to keep up with other videos that are coming out, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. That way you can get the most up-to-date information.